What's up guys, Peter Tech Tips here. If today is your first time being to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I drop a new video. Alright, let's get started. Well, if you've noticed, over the couple of months, Huawei has been very busy with their new Harmony OS, and apparently, everyone across the globe is patiently waiting for this new OS. Well, recently, Huawei released Harmony OS for Chinese users, but however, hundreds of global users wait in line to get their device updated to the latest version of Harmony OS. Recently, Huawei launched the Nova 8 series in Russia with a new Emui 12 operating firmware, surprising everybody and leaving global Huawei users with a big question: what is Emui 12 and is Emui 12 Harmony OS? According to Huawei Russia, Emui 12 looks and feels like Harmony OS, even though it's based on Android. Apparently, it looks like global users are going to be updated to Emui 12 with Harmony OS features, or global users will be given the chance to choose between Harmony OS or Emui 12.